Roseville heat pump water heater. Welcome to Heater Wiz, your trusted source for all things water heater related. Today we're exploring the Roseville heat pump water heater. Imagine waking up on a chilly morning, ready for a hot shower, only to get cold water. The Roseville heat pump water heater can fix that. Why choose it? Here are the benefits. Energy efficiency, uses less energy by transferring heat, saving on bills. Environmental impact, reduces your carbon footprint using renewable energy. Consistent hot water, provides a steady supply, eliminating chilly surprises. At Heater Wiz, we install and maintain Roseville heat pump water heaters. Our experienced technicians ensure top-quality service and products. Ready to upgrade? Contact Heater Wiz at 916-999-HEAT or visit waterheaterwiz.com for a free consultation. Join the homeowners in Roseville who've switched to heat pump water heaters. Choose Heater Wiz, transforming your home one hot shower at a time.